Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween is almost here and I can just see the kids overloaded with candy. Today I'm going to show you guys 4 Halloween treats that are healthy and yummy. They're easy to make, kid friendly, and mom approved. First up, we have spooky bananas. All you need is a banana, popsicle sticks, a knife, regular sized chocolate chips, and mini chocolate chips. So the first thing you want to do is grab your banana and peel it. Once your banana is peeled, you're going to grab your knife and you're going to cut the banana in half. So then you're going to use half of your banana and you're going to use the mini chocolate chips and you're going to stick them right in the middle of your bananas like this, and you're going to make little eyes. And then you're going to grab your regular sized chocolate chip and you're going to make a mouth.
I met this 6-year-old child, this blind.
And then you're going to get your popsicle stick and you're going to gently push it in right in the bottom of your banana. And there you have your banana ghost pop. Next, we are making Clementine pumpkins. All you need is clementines or tangerines and mini pretzel sticks. The first thing that you want to do is peel your clementine. Second, you're going to grab a pretzel stick and you're going to break it in half. Then you're going to put this right in the middle of the clementine to create a stem. And there you go. You have a cute little pumpkin. These Clementine pumpkins are so cute and they were a big hit in my family. Now to make PB&J Spiders. The things you will need is 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, jelly or jam, a round cookie cutter or a cup. I'm actually going to be using that small mini glass bowl, mini pretzel sticks, chocolate chips, and a knife. First, you're going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich like you would normally. Then you're going to cut the spider out with the round cookie cutter. I'm actually going to use this round glass bowl. Once you have the body of the spider cut out, you're going to grab your pretzel sticks and you're going to slide right in the side of the sandwich to create the legs. And then you're going to give your spider some eyes with some chocolate chips. Last, we are making string cheese witch brooms. The things you will need are string cheese, mini pretzel sticks, a knife, and a green onion that's thinly sliced. First, you're going to cut your string cheese into thirds. And then you're going to get your mini pretzel sticks and you're going to insert it at the end of the string cheese. And you're going to do it until it's halfway in. And once you got that, you're going to grab your knife and you're going to make about 4 slices. And I'm doing it kind of halfway, but not really almost halfway. And then I'm going to do one right over here. And then I'm going to gently just pull them apart a little bit. And then you're going to grab your green onion and you're going to make a little bow and you're going to tie it right over here. And there you have your little broom. I hope you guys enjoy these Halloween trees. They can be used for school lunches or even parties. Let me know in the comments down below of any ideas that you guys may have. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you again for watching. Bye, you guys.